Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to look at 3 tips that are going to help you with funnel building. What's a funnel first and foremost? Let's cover all these details within this video. Guys, I'm going to hop onto my computer and share with you some more. Awesome guys, here I am on my screen. And if it's the first time that you're coming to my channel, I want to welcome you here. This channel is all about tips to help us pave the way for our dreams to come true. Basically, I use it to document my entire journey of using affiliate marketing as a side hustle and sharing with you along the way different tips and strategies related to the skill sets of affiliate marketing. The reason why I'm doing that, it's a way for me to get away from my job eventually, but at the same time, it's also very cool to get started and actually have like that side income coming in. So if you do have a full-time job like myself, if you are doing things and you want to get away from that, or rather have an extra set of income coming in, then consider affiliate marketing. That's just something that I'm saying this very openly. It's not for everybody, but consider it. At least do a little bit of due diligence, watch these kind of videos, and see if it makes sense for you or not. The second thing, we're going to be talking about funnels today, guys. What is a funnel? Everything related to that. So before I go ahead and share my screen, I wanted to talk about, or rather show you the strategy that I'm following, which is basically very much focused on the 2 skill sets of affiliate marketing, which is advertising and copywriting. These are the 2 things that I believe are super important for us to have a long-term career with affiliate marketing and being able to sustain that and even switch from our full-time let's say a side hustle to a full-time hustle doing it this way. Okay, so this is a strategy that I'm following. In order for me to do that, I explain it all within my course in the description of this video in case you're interested, but I just wanted to give you guys the outline of it. The first step is related to how do you generate a cash flow, because I personally use paid advertising because I don't want to spend a lot of time on my laptop, with all these different methods of creating videos, etc., etc. I'm documenting because I want to document, but I don't need to document to be able to start to generate a cash flow with this strategy. And on the second hand, there is the whole sales process that is in place, which then is step 2 and focuses on a long-term longevity of your business. So that's the way I'm actually working my entire affiliate marketing business, and I wanted to share that with you first. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification if you like the transparency in the way I actually share and document my entire journey. Now, I started this strategy in 2023. It's generating me consistent income every single month, and you can find the results I share on this channel once a month. So if you haven't subscribed even for that reason, you can check out those results every single month. I post very transparently out there regarding exactly how I do it. Now, the whole step 2, as you can see, is a sales process. And this sales process is a funnel, which I have built for myself. A funnel basically, it allows me to filter out the people who are not interested, and the people who do stay interested, I can have that communication, that relationship, and I can have a long-term business relationship with that person at the end of the day. So that's what a funnel does for me. It kind of filters out the people who are not interested and keeps only those who are interested on the topic that I have. Now, let me give you an example. If you're talking about health and wellness, right? You can build a funnel in the health and wellness niche, but you might need to focus on a specific kind of health and wellness. Let's say it's essential oils. You're focusing on essential oils, so you build a funnel related to essential oils. Everything else related to health is filtered out, and you get people who are only interested in essential oils to go through that funnel. So it keeps you engaged with the people that are interested in your exact product or service that you're offering. And when you do that, then obviously on the back end, we as affiliate marketers get commissions for the sales that we make there. Now, you don't need to do it in any other way. As I'm sharing with you, it can be health and wellness. It can be in the dating niche. It can be a product, a physical product or a digital product, whatever it is. A funnel exists for this specific purpose. I'm going to share with you the 3 tips and the importance, in my opinion, of a funnel in itself. Guys, so I prepared a presentation and I want to go through this funnel building tips with you guys together. We're doing a training right here on this Wednesday. Okay, so as I spoke about a funnel, you are targeting your audience this way. But one of the things that I really want to get across to you is that every single thing that we do actually is part of a funnel. If you go to a supermarket, it's part of a funnel. So having this skill set of understanding what exactly how you can put the pieces together, this is going to be helpful for you in the long term. It doesn't mean that you need to get it done immediately. It's not something that needs to be done immediately. As long as you understand the concept of it, you can have funnels in different way. Let me explain to you. So for example, you can have a funnel as your Facebook profile can be your funnel. That means that you are using an advertising source as Facebook to go to your Facebook group, let's say, or your Facebook profile, and then they engage on your posts, and then they join your Facebook group. This itself is a funnel. So you can have the concept of a funnel in different places, and at any point in your journey, so maybe you don't have the money to spend on creating a funnel for that specific product or service, you can still do these techniques which I'm sharing with you in a different way, in a free way, whether it's TikTok, whether it's Instagram, whatever, it doesn't matter. It is still possible for you to do it. So I hope you guys understand that it's not just about the skill set, but it's also about the overall journey that we're taking, right? So you take the steps where you are at. This is a long-term concept that can be applied at different stages. If you're just starting out, if you're in the middle, or even if you're advanced. And now, for example, like me, I spent 6 years online without making any success, without making any commissions, anything like that. And I was able to learn these skill sets during the process. So last year, for example, when I put in the strategy of affiliate marketing essentials, which I teach in the link in the description, by the way, you can find the link to that course in the description. I basically put the funnel together with a clear objective in mind, because I knew from past experiences what worked and didn't work for me. I manually put in the work to build it. So this learning curve exists. Okay, I want you to accept it. It's like when you start a new job, or when you start to learn a new thing, there is going to be a learning curve. You have to accept that learning curve, then only you can move forward. If you're not able to accept that learning curve, it's gonna be difficult for you. Okay, we're looking at this for a long term. Again, I'm saying this for the third time because I want you guys to understand that we're a long-term journey. I'm not making these videos to just stay for one day. It's gonna be there for a long time also. Okay, so let's get into it. So the question that I want you to ask yourself at this moment is, what is the purpose of your funnel? As I said before, if you do not know the purpose of your funnel, then maybe you can just keep it to social media and building your community. That is a funnel in itself, okay? Understand the logic behind it. So what is the purpose of your funnel? Basically, the purpose of your funnel could be a lead generation purpose, or the purpose of your funnel is a product that you want to sell, your own personal product that you want to sell, or a digital product that you want to sell. Maybe it's a course that you want to sell. What is the purpose of your funnel? Who is your ideal client, and what is the purpose of your funnel? You need to know the purpose. So let me give you an example of some purposes as I see fit. Now, just let me make myself a little bit smaller so that you guys can see the screen. So examples of the purpose, okay, as I say, or your why. For example, if you have a product funnel, your main page in a product funnel, this is why your purpose is so important. The main page in the funnel that you're building right now is always going to be your thank you page or a sales page. Why do I say this? I say this specifically because in that thank you page or sales page, you are selling your product or service. And this is a page that has a paid outcome. So the whole point of view is of that product funnel that you're creating is to make a sale, whether it's a digital product or whether it's a physical product. Let's say you build a digital product. Let's say you have a printable. The purpose is for the person to buy that printable. So your most important page is not the email, the first page that you're creating, which is collecting an email address. It's not the last page that you're collecting, which is saying, hey, congratulations for your purchase. No, it is that thank you page or sales page, because that is where your conversions are, and we need to focus on those conversions. So when you know the purpose of your funnel, if it's a product funnel, okay, that is the main page. And I want you guys to understand this because this is a big tip to remember. A lot of people focus on the landing pages and the conversions on the front end, but at the end of the day, it is your thank you page and sales page that makes sense with the product funnel. Lead generation, however, it changes. The focus is, how do I get the most leads from this? Now, maybe in exchange for those email addresses, for that information that I'm sharing, I'm giving them a free gift. Or for example, in my case, I give you a course. So you get a course by entering your email address in that lead generation funnel. But I have both these aspects because the course is my own product. So the most important page for me personally is the sales page within the course. But I also make it very crucial that I have a good lead generation page, so I collect as many leads to be able to convert. But if the lead generation is just a free book or something like that, your main page is nothing else. You're not selling anything on the thank you page. then your main page is the landing page. Okay, so these are the reasons why I say purpose is important. Now, the three tips that I have in terms of building your funnel out, the three things that I think you should pay attention to much more, which might seem very simple to explain to you, but these are the most important things. And guys, as we do marketing and as I teach you guys these skill sets on the channel also for free, you guys are learning really important things, which is congruency in your marketing. Once you have a same message, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's in your emails, you have the same message going about, you're making your life easier, and at the same time you're getting more conversions. I'm very much focused on conversions. I'm not really focused on advertising so much because I know that I'm getting enough advertising running, and I'm paying also for, I use paid advertising, so I don't focus so much on the advertising, but I focus a lot more on the conversions because I always have a consistent flow of traffic running or advertising running to my funnel itself. So the domain of your funnel should be congruent with the funnel objective. What do I mean by that? So let's go back and say you have a product. Let's say the product is in health. It's an essential oil, as I mentioned. Say that essential oil, you create a product funnel with essential oil. Your domain name should be, I believe, either yourself as a brand, so people recognize you, or related to essential oils. That way, the person has confidence, much more possibility of a higher conversion when they go on to the next. And then keep it simple. This is something that I am very, very proud about because, or rather, I want to make sure that it's understandable to you. Really do not complicate your sales process. Make it as simple as possible. So for example, don't the most highest conversions are when you make a simple funnel. Have one objective in your entire funnel. I'm going to give you an example what not to do, and I will use my own examples so you guys understand what's the logic behind it. Okay, so why I say keep it simple, I'm going to share with you now my funnel itself and why having one objective is important. When you have one objective, just before I move on to show you the example, the live example, when you have one objective, let's say the person has to click on the link to buy, or click on the link to get the free ebook. That's the objective. They're clicking on the link, they're getting the ebook, and now you're saying thank you and please go to your email address to get the ebook. So they go to the email address to get the ebook. They're not getting bombarded with different things. Sometimes a lot of people sell many products on the thank you page because, as I said before, the thank you page, sales page is the most important page, right? So they're confusing their audience by doing this. So let me go ahead and share with you now a real life example. Yes, guys. And by the way, I use System.io to actually build my entire sales process. This entire funnel is built with System.io. It's all in one tool. If you guys want to check it out, it's absolutely free, by the way, to get started with. But if you do want the paid plans, you can also get the paid plans depending on what you want. I will basically leave a free link in the description of this video in case you want to get and look at System.io. It's the only tool that I use to build all of this, to send my emails out, everything. So you can find a link below. Let me log in. This is my account in System.io, and I'm just going to go to funnel so that you guys can see I have a two-step funnel that is absolutely free within my course that you can get, and my main course funnel. So let me show you how simple this is. So this is my landing page. Okay, so this is the page that I need to collect an email address. Now I test things out here. I will be for sure changing some details on this page from now and then just to see my test my results, what conversions are better. So this is the page that I take a lot of care by looking at and editing quite frequently to make sure that I get the best conversions. Secondly, that's the first page. Okay, I have a pop-up and everything that comes up, which is quite cool. I really enjoyed creating this. Then I have my VSL, okay? And just to show you guys, this VSL is pretty simple. This needs to get conversions. So I'm making this one objective. People come here, they click get €1 to get access, and they get the access for by getting the product. And then they go to the order page, which basically says here you can enter your name, email address, and your details and get the course itself. This is what you will go through when you click on the link if you want the course, okay? And then I have an extra thank you page. Basically, this is my VSL, my sales page, and then I have a thank you page. Now, this thank you page, for example, has one objective also, is to show first and foremost proof, but it has one product and one service alone. So the objective here is get the product, and everything else will be explained to you guys in the course. So this video is shared it's something that's complementing my product itself. So I'm not going to share something that doesn't make sense. It's a random product over there. No, it has to be something that's complementing my course. So there's congruency in my entire flow. Now I do have some extra pages and I want to show you guys these extra pages so that you are clearly understanding it. So let's say I have my high quality traffic sources, right? So these traffic sources, I have a video and I have, can you see how confusing this is? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons to click on. Unfortunately, when a lot of people are creating funnels, they create pages like this where they want a link tree kind of option. A link tree kind of option is basically have multiple links and have multiple things that you're in, but that's not one object. You are now creating a higher, very, very difficult way for you to get actually conversions because you're confusing your audience with so many offers. The reason why I have this page is I don't share this page in my funnel. Okay, my funnel ends with my thank you page. This page right here I created as a resource page within my emails. So the people that go to this page only go for only in my emails will get the link to this page and then they'll see. But I've already prepped them. I've already spoken to them. I've already shared with them in the course. I've already shared with them in different other in the emails itself. So they know what they're getting. It doesn't mean that I'm going to get conversions on that page. I think I should just keep it to 1 or 2 to get the best. But the way I've structured the course is why I'm doing this. Now, I might change it in the future. Who knows? I really might change it in the future. But for now, this is how I'm doing it, right? But you can see that it has one objective, and the one objective is the course itself. I'm not doing anything else but giving the course away. That is my clear objective. So I hope you guys understand that the 3 things right here. So have your domain linked the same way. Keep it simple. You see, I'm not complicating it. Even my VSL, guys, is the shortest VSL in the world. Like, it has 9 minutes. It's a quick video. It explains everything and people can make a decision. I want you guys to make a decision. That this page right here is the most important page for me. And if I go to my statistics and just let's, do this month's statistics so you guys understand, so you guys clearly see, my page is converting like this month it converted at 9%. Last month it converted at, so it's already above average of for the conversion rate. Last month it converted at 11%. So my aim right here, this page right here, is where I need to focus on improving my conversion rate. So that is my goal. At the moment, this is my goal, to improve this conversion rate to at least 30 to 40%. Why? Because then obviously it affects my revenue. This is the order form page right here is the most important page. But I need a high conversion from the VSL to this, VSL to the order form. Okay, so between these two, the VSL, I should have the highest amount of conversions from all these 311 people should be on the order form. But I don't get a full conversion of 311 people on the order form. So I didn't get from 1,000 people, I got only 300 people who are actually looking in my VSL. And from that, you can do the, the conversion rate here, much less conversion coming to my order form. So my aim right here is to get higher conversions from here to the VSL so that I then convert from the VSL to the order form. Why? Because an average on 10% I do convert, and maybe that can improve, right? So this is what you need to see right here. These are the kind of things that I share within my course. But I hope you guys got value, got education from this video. I know that sometimes it takes some time. It's a little bit technical. There is a learning curve. But guys, this is just something that I wanted to share with you. As I said, I have my course in the description of this video. If you do want to work one-on-one with me, there is a way. And the only way that I work actually one-on-one with you is if you do get System.io, the annual plans, the paid version, the annual plans for the entire year. So for example, you get the startup for 228, sorry, or 396, or the unlimited plan for 828. Then I will work with you for 12 months. That is my commitment I'm personally doing. Obviously, you'll need to reach out to me in my group and everything else, but I will be able to work with you for 12 months. So that's just an offer that I have here on the table. It's going to be there for forever, to be honest. And I hope you guys take advantage of it. Otherwise, you can just get my course, get in contact with me, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.